Okay, this video is new treatment for famine. Although yesterday obesity was a giant problem, everyone's concerned about it, famine seems around the corner. I just read that at least 12 trains have recently been derailed, including the one with all the chemicals in Ohio that supposedly is going to contaminate the Ohio River and the Mississippi River and the clouds, the farmland around there. And so that could be a problem for the crops grown in those areas and for the farmers in those areas. I also read that numerous food processing factories have recently had fires. So, for the average person, like the hunger strikers in Ireland, Bobby Sands and whatnot, it took about 60 days to starve to death. But for the vegan community, that could be worse because a lot of these vegans eating low-fat diets are very skinny. But thank God we've been studying the causes of obesity in effort to lose weight. To prevent starvation, just do the opposite. Eat more processed food. You'll get more exposure to those obesogen estrogenic chemicals. Estrogen's a fat storage hormone. Helps a woman to gain weight in case the baby might need that for energy. There's other things you could do to raise your estrogen levels and lower your testosterone levels. You could ask your girlfriend or wife to make a list of all your faults and then have her read it to you and explain each one. And the man's only allowed answer is yes, dear, and that will lower your testosterone level for sure. Okay, go to the web or cable TV, watch a bunch of chick flicks, and talk about your feelings with her, okay? Really emphasize how you're feeling, okay? That ought to raise your estrogen levels more. Okay, and the next thing you can do, drink a bunch of whole milk. It's loaded with estrogen. Cover yourself with sunscreen and moisturizers. You can soak up more estrogen transdermal absorption. But just remember what Rodney Dangerfield said. There's a fine line between rubbing lotion on yourself and rubbing yourself with lotion. Okay, now, of course, this has nothing to do with the famines inflicted on people by Lenin or Mao or Stalin, okay? For those of you who are hypersensitive or hyper-ignorant, this post was just joking around. This is all, sarcasm and parody, so don't freak out. And don't do anything without consulting your healthcare provider. Okay, the god of hypersensitivity has been appeased. Go in peace.